Hello guys, welcome to Jos Achi channel. Thank you so much for your support guys. Thank you for your love. I do appreciate you all for your support. Sorry guys, I've not been posting video because I'm not feeling well. I've been having cold and cough, like you can hear from my voice. It's just cracking. But I do appreciate all of you guys for your support. But I'm gonna post a video just about the home remedy that I'm trying to use for the cold and cough. There are just 3 ingredients guys: lemon, garlic and honey. That's what I blend and take, and today at least I'm feeling a little kind of better, a little bit, but I hope I'll get better soon guys. Let's go and watch the video guys. Thank you so much for your support. I don't take that for granted, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. I'm shooting this video at night guys. This introduction part of it, the video might not be clear, but anyway guys, thank you all. Let's go and watch the video guys. For those who are watching without subscribing guys, if you can consider subscribing, I will appreciate all of you guys. Thank you guys for your love. Okay, let's go watch the video. Thank you. Okay guys, now I have the ingredients: the lemon, 3 lemons, 1 cloves of garlic and honey. So these are the ingredients I'm gonna use for this recipe. And this is what I'm gonna use to squeeze the lemon and cut it. This is a little kitchen aid that I will use for blending. Now let's clean up the cloves, the garlic cloves. Okay, let's cut the lemon so that you'll be squeezing it one after the other. Now we can transfer it into the cup. So that's where I'm gonna blend in that cup guys. So it's time to squeeze the lemon. So this one, I'm totally doing it purely like that without adding any water. So the lemon juice, that will be the liquid I'm gonna use. I want it purely concentrated without adding anything, any water. So I'm done. Now I'm gonna add the honey and then blend it. So here I'm adding the honey. I put like 3 tablespoons. So let's blend it guys. The blending actually doesn't take long because it's small, and this kitchen aid really is good. Make it so easy to do. I'm blending it for a little bit, guys, because I want it to be very smooth and easy to swallow. Now it's ready, guys. And this is the consistent, guys. You see that's a lot of juice there. That's actually from the lemon and a little bit from garlic and honey. So I transferred it in the cup where I will be using to drink in that glass. Now time to make my breakfast. I just wanted plain breakfast, so I just made 3 eggs and added just salt because I don't want the spices. I don't want to add a lot of spices in it. So that's what I will be using for my breakfast. I just need simple and plain breakfast and natural, organic one. Here the egg is ready, guys. So I'm gonna make tea. Just adding some sugar in the kettle. And this is a tea leaf I'm using, guys, Ahmad tea. Drop in the comment if you guys are using Ahmad tea. I love Ahmad tea so much. This is my favorite tea. Here in Canada, people love coffee a lot. People drink a lot of coffee, especially during winter because it's cold. So people drink a lot of coffee. I do drink coffee sometimes, but not so frequent. I love actually Ahmad tea. That's my favorite for sure. And tea masala. With Ahmad tea, sometimes I do add milk. Sometimes I just drink it like that. I love the aroma. These tea leaves here has beautiful aroma. And here's the onion and tomatoes, guys. The tomatoes, we get them from our garden bed. I post a video. I think I post a video about my garden bed. You probably will check it there. We have tomatoes, guys, plenty of them in that garden bed. So we get our fresh tomato from the garden. They are so fleshy and taste so nice, guys. It tastes completely different from those one we buy from the store. This is purely organic, and I love it so much. With red onion is my favorite. I do eat fresh onion a lot. I love fresh onion, particularly this red one. So good. And here on the bread, guys, I'm adding basil butter. I love this particular one because they made it with the olive oil, and that's healthy. Now I'm cutting my egg, guys, quarter of the egg, and then add it onto the bread and add my onion and tomato. And that's it, guys. Just simple breakfast. Now let's add the tea. And this is the powder milk I use, guys. I just added 1 tablespoon and add my tea. And there you go, guys. The tea is ready. with that beautiful aroma of the Ahmad tea. It's so nice. I love that tea. Now we add our garlic. We blend in the tea and the bread, and that's my breakfast, guys. It's all done. The garlic, actually, you don't drink it all at once. I drink sometimes little by little, just when I feel a lot of itchiness and cough, I just take some spoon and leave some for later. Because it's very strong and concentrated, but it's good. Thank you, guys. And that's it. I appreciate you all, guys. Thanks.